So today I'm gonna create a smoke tester to check my evap leak on my Chevy Silverado. I check online and the cost for one of those smoke machines is ridiculous. So cost for it is ridiculous, people. So all I need to create my thing is my drill. I get one of these bottle. This is a glass one. Can hold the smoke, my baby oil. I get my epoxy, my screw. I get my solder gun, and this is a pump that I use for pump oil. So stay tuned, people.
Boom Shalazum Cashman. I Devin the Doctor represent for the hottest YouTube channel right now.
So now I'm gonna bore 3 holes in this. One in the center. Light one go perfect. Get a small size for the hose. Let me check some. Good size for all 3. So I put one on this side. There you have it. 3 holes. Yeah. So I'm gonna take off the cover. I'm gonna install my solder gun in one. I'm gonna install my solder gun clips. Just getting rid of this metal so it don't cut me. My solder gun. I install that in it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix up some epoxy bits. So these are the 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. Right. One gonna go to my pump to pump it, and one gonna go on the car, and then mix up some epoxy now and seal the top. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna seal the top so the smoke don't come out. This is the epoxy I pick up from Lardco. I usually just squeeze them out, mix them together. Quick dry, 5-minute epoxy. You know, epoxy this is the one that's good for heat and everything. So if it heat, it don't affect it, right? Let me do them one by one. So I take out them. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make it as a permanent one, people. So in the future, if I have any car to work on again, or any of my friends vehicle have an EVAP problem, I can solve it for them. Don't have to go to the shop. Making this save me. I would have to do a scan first, and then with the scan, after the scan, I would have to do a smoke test, because I scan mine myself and it tell me I have an EVAP leak. I buy one of the cheap scanner, scan my thing myself, and the code that come up on it is a P0442, telling me I have an EVAP leak. And with EVAP problem, it is very hard to detect it. Very, very hard for you to detect the EVAP problem. So I'll let this stay a little and dry. It's a quick dry, 5 minutes. Give it 5 minutes to dry with this. Then stay tuned. After I finish the epoxy, I will come back. So here is my invention, peeps. My pump already epoxy it. Yeah, this part I'm gonna connect on one of the line here. Let's see which one of the best one to connect it on. Best one. Don't know if I can connect it on this one. Let me try. Let me try this one, please. Connect it on that one, please. And see. So first, I'm gonna pull off this and gonna put a bag over it, peeps, so that the smoke don't come this side. Go in the box, right? That way, you know. That way now, peeps, I can see where my code, as I tell you, is a P0442, telling me EVAP leak. Stay with me. Just set up, pull out this part. bag over it. Put a good bag over it. Shift it a little. See the book. Now I'm gonna do, if you see people, if you can see, that's what I did. I put the bag over it, tighten it up back. Tighten it up back, peeps. Tighten it up back. So I'm gonna block out that piece. Block out that, block out. You can see what I'm going properly. So I have a cloth. I'm gonna wet it up with baby oil. Wet it up with the baby oil. Get the baby oil from the pharmacy or the dollar store. Baby oil now we're gonna make it smoke inside when I plug in the gun. That's the reason for the baby oil. Oops. That's the reason for the baby oil. And nothing else. Okay. Not to lubricate anything or to do anything, but for the smoke. First I'm building it, people. So see with me, I'm testing it. Testing it, let me plug in it and see. Get any smoke build up. It's gonna take a little time to heat up. Gonna take a little time to heat up, people. So let's see if it works or not. Let's see, baby. The aim is to get some smoke in it. So I plug in the gun. You know the gun take a little time to heat up. Take a little time to heat up. So it heat up. Let's see if I get any smoke in my backer. Let's see the smoke get, peeps. nice and smoky. What happened? My invention never worked, peeps. So right here, people, this is where I have to switch pump because my other pump wasn't working properly. So I switched pump to a hand pump right here, people. So you're wondering what happened to the other pump. That other pump wasn't pumping any air, so I had to switch. Not seeing any smoke, peeps. Not seeing any smoke. Nowhere along this side. And as you can see, my smoke system is working. You see, peeps? Look. My system is working. But I'm not seeing any smoke coming up. See? Look. I can't find any smoke, people. So I'm gonna check back my box right here. I'm gonna remove back the plastic. See? You can see that it's working, cause look. Remove the plastic and you see my smoke. So obviously I don't see a leak. But the P04 code telling me that I have a leak. So I'm gonna put on the back, give it another pump again and see. Getting anything, please. not finding any leak. Oops. Thanks for watching, people. I hope this video was helpful to you, and this is an awesome way of saving a lot of money if you don't want to invest in one of those $1,000 machine, or take it to a mechanic shop to check for a vacuum leak. It will save you maybe another $200 for not going to the mechanic shop to try to figure out a vacuum leak. So please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment if this video helped you. I'm out.
Boom, shall I some cash man? I defend the doctor represent for the hottest YouTube channel right now.